So AI, with the advancements of AI, it has taken like prototyping software. So if a mid-sized company wanted to make their own software in the past, it would take weeks to months to develop
Yeah.
something when they could just pay, the $300 a month for the service and have like their 10 employees on it within a day, right? But with
Mhm.
AI, the idea is that it will be turning those weeks or months into just hours of, hey, you know, whatever AI that you use, make me a software that does this, this, and this, takes care of all my business needs. And and then it turns around and says, well, you will also want this, this, and this. And you're like, yeah, oh, I would want that.
Yeah. So, like in my case, I've used AI chatbots to build little widgets here and there. Build me a basic Python script or a basic website or a little widget. And with chatbots like ChatGPT or Gemini, and recently I've got into the CLI, the command line interface control, where the I guess chatbot controls your whole machine. I'm using Codex CLI, and this turns it in from copying pasting from a chatbot to just telling your terminal what to do, and it can build be a full stack developer to build an entire service. And I've found that it's a lot easier to use that than iterating with a online chatbot, because it covers all of the little things. It runs over and it tests itself. You don't have to run your script and see if it works and then copy paste back and forth. So
Yeah.
the point being is, as this progresses, it's getting easier for someone like me who has a basic understanding of coding, but wants to, say, oh, build me an app you know, like Word, or Excel. Just build me my own. And I don't
Yeah.
really need to have a very detailed understanding. It's more, as long as I give it a high level command, the infrastructure is getting better to give me the A to Z result from what I've seen anyway.
Yeah. So if it's so easy for AI to iterate and create these smaller services, does that break the software as a service subscription model? And
Mm.
I am going to say no. Prove me wrong.
So
Prove you wrong.
Tell
yeah,
me
I would
why.
agree that it's not the industry isn't going anywhere, right? I will say it will be affected because people will have the ability now to quickly create something to meet their needs instead of, hey, I need a product that does everything. And if it's more, it's like internal tooling, basically. Companies are able to make their internal tools for their workflows easier. I know of a company that I've been working with and advising as they have gone on this crazy vibe coding journey. They've learned they've learned lots of things to do and lots of things not to do. Are they trying to build like a software that is used by subscribers that are paying? No, they're trying to make something a little bit different. It will have people that use the application, and it's caused the owner of the business to sit back and say, "Wow, this is really hard," because they have to generate a list of requirements of what they want. And so, at first you tell them, yeah, anything you can think of, just write it down. Get all the possible features you want for this application down. And
Yeah.
then ask yourself, how much money do you want to spend? Because each feature is going to cost more and more money. And then it's more upkeep and um, troubleshooting and debugging that you potentially have to do in the long run. So they originally had no idea how, computers create applications, how databases work, or any of these topics. And so after, helping them and not doing it for them, like helping them help themselves. They've been able to build something they're really proud of. They came over and they were showing it to me, and they were, smiling ear to ear.
So this business owner built something with AI, and it's specific to their business, and they didn't need to go rent software from somebody else.